Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is March the 11th, 2010, Thursday. Looking at a couple of free alerts for you here. Potential for this one to move to the upside. Let's go ahead and draw out the reasoning. Got a move right here setting up. See this little uptrend still in position. And we've pulled back after a strong move to the upside on good buy volume. This is just forming that little pennant pattern, the flag that we like to see. If you see a breakout here, definitely a move above this previous high here, the previous close. Yeah, you'd be a buyer of that because she has plenty of room to run. With your overall markets making a move to break out to the new highs, markets are created by a whole bunch of stocks. So you would then look at the stocks that have yet to break out and expect them to do so. So you'd be looking for this sucker here to basically advance up in here. All right, makes perfect sense to everybody. Okay, this is an uptrend, of course, because we have the lower point here and a little bit higher there. Okay, now we're trending on this guy here, just like that. All right, so that's for the upside. If you you'll notice though that on the chart, the preferred entry point is an oversold situation like this. Like you bounce up here, you pull back, and create a higher low. A higher low. That's a better entry point for me. I prefer these for a swing trade. But with the market the way it is, you now have a secondary move, which is a momentum play to go higher from this point. Not likely to pull back to here again before making that move. So that's why you'd be looking for that. Okay, that was OXPS. If you're wondering, if you can't really look at the charts are all provided on the above the video as well. So you just click on the chart and it'll pull it up, and you can get a better look at it for yourself. On the short side, let's go ahead. I'm gonna have to pull up RLI. All right, let's pull up the chart on that. All right, you'll notice we've got short-term overbought conditions here, inverted hammers here, higher high. Okay, and you can see some little bit of upside there. So we're thinking about that when you place your short there. Moving on down, you can see the converging average lines here. MACD converging for a potential bearish crossover. You'll also notice the overbought condition of the RSI peaked up into there. All right. If you are a bear, you could easily set a short move there, and you can either place your stop at around 55. Let's see, this peak is 55.94, so the stop would be 55.95. I personally think you probably, if the market continues moving higher, you could see this get tested and get stopped out before she peaks in reality anyway. And there's no sense in seeing this chart, you know, bounce up here and then kick you out and then actually make the move lower. So to avoid that, what you might do is simply place that stop a little bit higher, say 10% or something of that nature. It gives you a little bit more room so you don't get kicked out in such a small, tight stop. Those are the two opportunities we have for you today. That was RLI. Those are both free alerts. If you'd like to know what I'm doing in my portfolio whenever I make a move, or chat with one of our many smart investors online, simply go to our website, sign up, pay the $145 a year, and boom, you're in. We'll hope to see you all Monday morning. I'm sorry, we'll hope to see you all tomorrow morning. I'm trying to take a really long weekend, aren't I?